this video guide, we'll walk you through the process of managing your website's image settings for optimal display. Efficiently configure image sizes and dimensions to enhance the visual appeal of your content. To get started, log into the admin area of your website. Click on the Settings and navigate to the Image Settings tab. Here, you can explore settings for image resizing and display adjustments. Set up parameters for various image categories, such as thumbnails, galleries, and hero images. Utilize the Quick Search feature to easily locate settings by name. Click on the Edit button to access detailed configuration options. Set window size ranges and define image width and max height for specific categories. Add a new parameter row by clicking on the Add button. Remove unnecessary parameters by clicking the trash can icon. Effectively managing your image settings ensures a visually appealing and well-optimized website. Thank you for watching, and follow these steps to tailor your images for an enhanced user experience.